far as leave-free Wi-Fi for Porvorim is concerned. The launch is happening today. World Human Rights Day is allo. And I think as per the Human Rights Day, every year it is there to celebrate when United Nations adopted a Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948. This document sets out certain fundamental human rights to be universally protected. As for a vibrant democracy like India, it is very important to protect the rights of all sections of our society, especially the fundamental rights that each one feels should be there for himself. Today's world, we all know that information is one of the main currency that we trade in. And I feel that the access to a free and fast internet is one of the fundamental rights of the youth and of the people of today and the future. As when we're talking about free Wi-Fi launching, we have different ideas. So the ideas were a couple of them where we decided to give benefit to our Porvorkars. We look at students who would use this for their academic interest. We look at the youth who are looking for job opportunities to surf through net and look at opportunities, how they can get themselves for their own jobs and their future. Tisri, as far as the student is concerned, it will definitely help as far as the academic is concerned. The mother in the house will be able to gather data when she is taking the studies of the child, or also look at his taking his lessons. It helps by using internet. And very important, the senior citizen whose children may be away from him, whose old friends he might be finding on a social media like Facebook, where he can get connected socially and be in touch with his old friends too.